Hey friends, if you encounter the error RegSvr32, the module failed to load error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now see, here's the thing. We use this command to re-register DLLs. For example, if I had to re-register a DLL, I will simply type the command RegSvr32 space the name of the DLL. Let's say it is omr.dll, and then I'll hit enter. But if it's not working, then here's what I can do. I can perform an SFC scan on my system to re-enable all the files, because see, this command will re-register the DLL. What if the DLL doesn't exist at all? So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. But if it doesn't help, usually it does help, but if it doesn't help, then we have another command for you, which is dism space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. So here's what we will do. Search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, type this dism command here and hit enter. And the computer should be connected to the internet. Just leave it as it is. Continue with your work. Let it work in the background. It will need hours and hours, but let it do its job. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.